Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me as the van guy. And I got vans for you today. A nice used Coachmen Crossfit. It was before they went beyond. they changed the name. Nice used unit, great condition. I love to show it to you. It's a 22C. C is for the rear couch. It's an electric couch in the back. Push a button, it folds down, and then you can make it into a twin bed, or you can take the insert, put it in the middle, and make yourself a nice queen island bed. It's got 4 storage cabinets up above on the door side, gorgeous windows throughout. It's got nice privacy screens for bugs and privacy. They come together. It's got marine grade vinyl on all the walls. And Lord, if it'll work on a boat out in the weather, it's certainly going to last for a long time inside. Moving up towards the kitchen area, on the tail end of the countertop, you have electrical outlet, USB ports, and a 12-volt option. Solid surface countertop, recessed sink, induction cooktop. All the wood in here is all hardwood. It's beautifully finished. You've got 3 drawers in the kitchen area, a little tilt-out drawer under the sink, and then a large drawer down below that has room for a wastebasket. Control panel is just as you enter the van through the side main door. Swinging around to the driver's area up front, great storage area up above. And then down in the cockpit itself, you've got plenty of storage up above for the driver and passenger. EcoBoost engine. It's a 1-ton chassis, rear-wheel drive. The passenger seat does turn around. If you get into a new Ford Transit chassis, both seats swivel. Right behind the driver's seat, you've got a nice bathroom, shower enclosure. There's only one little seam, and that's around the sink, so easy maintenance for the owner down the road. Moving back towards the rear of the coach, you've got your microwave up above, and compressor, refrigerator, freezer. Refrigerators on the top, freezers on the bottom. Moving back from that, you've got a nice storage area for a closet. The entertainment center, TV, you've got your light controls, your switch for the couch, and again, another nice window. And the rear windows have a pop out so you can get some airflow in here. And then it's got a big bug screen across the back for, and also a privacy area. Hey, thanks for taking your time today and checking out my video. If you have any questions on this used CrossFit, just give me a call direct. Call Gary at 541-554-9581 or go to my Facebook, the Van Guy. My email's on the screen. I'd love to hear back from you. Thank you.